Dawn never rushes anyone. It simply arrives, bringing the grace of a new beginning. Picking a fallen petal, we can see the boundless gentleness of the earth. In the quiet embrace of nature, every little thing holds a universe of peace. Like the purity of early morning dew, our minds too were once unclouded. Let us slow down today to heal the fragments we have lost along the way. Everything is ready, just as you are at this very moment. To transform, we must first invite the fire of patience. Place your burdens down, just as we place this iron pan over the steady flames. As the milk warms, let us reflect on our own wandering thoughts. We stir through the chaos, hoping to find our true essence. Just gently face it, and everything will distill into its purest form. A tiny pinch of flour binds the scattered pieces together. Knead with love, for a harsh touch will only break what is fragile. Rest now. Even the tightest knots need time to loosen. While we wait, let us craft the sweetness that will embrace our inner wounds. Every strike of the pestle releases a hidden fragrance, just as hardship reveals our inner strength. Boiling water melts the hardened sugar, much like compassion melts our stubbornness. Drop the crushed cardamom, letting its soul merge with the sweet stream. The petals may wilt in the heat, but they leave behind an eternal fragrance. To find peace, we must sometimes let go of our former shapes. The sweetness is ready, waiting patiently to heal what is broken. Let us return to the dough, which has now found its quiet center. Every pinch we take is a piece of ourselves we wish to mend. Roll it gently, rounding off the harsh edges of yesterday's sorrows. A crack on the surface will break apart when tested in deep waters. Embrace your hidden flaws, soothe them until you feel whole again. We shape our destiny not by force, but by persistent tenderness. The journey of transformation now calls for the ultimate trial. We must endure the heat of our trials before we can taste the sweetness of peace. Let the golden ghee warm up slowly. Rushing will only burn the outside while leaving the core undone. Drop your fears into the gentle fire, one by one. Do not let them touch the bottom, for we must support ourselves before we sink.
Watch as they slowly bloom, shedding their pale doubts to embrace a golden hue.
Sometimes, passing through the scorching oil is the only way to reach true serenity. Now, let them rest in the warm embrace of the rose syrup. A parched soul will drink in love deeply when offered with pure kindness. They grow heavy with sweetness, just as a heart expands when it truly forgives. Let time do the rest of the healing. You have done enough for today. It is time to uncover the fruits of your beautiful patience. See how they have absorbed all the love and sweetness offered to them? A simple vessel of earth, holding the profound sweetness of life. But true harmony requires a touch of life-enduring resilience. Just like the vibrant green of spring, returning after a scorching summer. Sprinkle a little joy over your healed heart. The pain of the fire has passed. Now, only sweetness remains. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Let your soul rest in this tiny sanctuary. If you found a moment of peace here, stay with us a little longer. Subscribe to this quiet corner of the world and let us heal together. Namaste.